Hey guys, welcome back to 5B's Garage. Today I got a quick one. This tailgate here is quite heavy, real heavy. I picked up this tailgate assist. We're going to try to install this today. Should be a quick and easy one. Stay with me and we'll get started. Alright, here we got the tailgate assist. It's made by DeeZee. It's a DZ43203, specific to a F350 from 9703 and a Super Duty 99-16. This truck's a 2006, so this should fit. Inside here we got the piston. We got some Mylar stickers to protect the paint. We got the instruction booklet right here. We'll use the instructions today. I already read through them. Just real quickly, we got our parts bag. These are the tools we're going to use today. I got a 3/8 ratchet for a T50 socket. I got a 1/4 inch ratchet. You could do this all with either 1/4 inch or 3/8. I got the 1/4 inch for a 11mm socket, 8mm socket, 13mm wrench, 16mm wrench, and a 6mm Allen wrench. Alright, first thing we're going to do is install this fitting in this hole here. Use a 13mm wrench. Now I made a mark on this nut right here, so we have to do at least 9 full turns in order to install this. That's one. None. Okay, they said if it still turns, you could do one to two more. Let's give it one more full turn. All right, beautiful. Now we take this bolt out. And that's our threaded fitting. All right, now we have to install this fitting. It's a ball end for our strut, and that nut threaded insert we just put in there. It's got some thread locker on it already. We use our 16mm wrench for this. Feels like 12 foot-pounds. Perfect. All right, next step is we got to remove this cable off this fitting so we can pull this fitting out. Just pry up this tab. It comes right off. Now we got to remove this with a T50. Now we have to install this adapter plate here. The instructions don't say how this has to be, whether in or out. Just kind of looks straight like that. Okay. All right, next step is we got to remove these 8mm screws here so we can pull this taillight fitting out. We got to pull the taillight out because we got to remove this bumper, and there's screws on the inside that hold that in place. Pull this straight back. There we go, right on an angle. In here we got two 11mm nuts. Now that we got the bumper out, we can reinstall the tail light. Just got to line up the pins, pop it in, and we can put our 8mm screws back in. The screws are going into plastic, so go easy, don't zing them home. Okay, the next step is we got to install this Mylar plastic over in this area here and down over on the side of the tailgate, so this way the strut, if it rubs, it doesn't damage the paint. I'm just going to get a rag, we'll clean that off real quick. I just used a pair of scissors, cut out a small piece, put it right over here, and whatever was left from it, I just left it whole and stuck it on the side. I don't know if you guys can see, that's my fingerprint on the plastic right around this area here. Next step is we'll put this cable back on and we'll install our strut. Strut goes in this orientation. Just clip it on here, pop it on like that. I'm gonna have to pull this out if I can. A little bit more. Pop that on. Okay. All right, we got the installation complete. It comes down much smoother and slower. Beautiful. Perfect. It used to just slam down, just like a heavy weight. It doesn't really assist going up, it just assists coming down. Well guys, thanks for joining me on today's adventure. It's a real quick 15-minute installation, basic hand tools, nothing crazy. Nice feature on a tailgate, doesn't come slamming down. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe. Really appreciate it, helps out the channel immensely, and we'll see you guys on the next one. That's just awesome. Like a kid in a candy store. It's the little things that make life enjoyable. See you guys next time.